Hello everyone. So welcome back to the fifth video on the problem definition. Read a string and check whether it contains a single A or not. Now, whenever a user enters a string, a visitor enters a string, there are four possibilities. The first is the character A is occurring in the beginning of the string. Second, the character A might be somewhere in between. Third, the character A might be at the end of the string. And fourth, instead of one character A, there may be multiple characters A. Right, so to solve this thing, we'll have to build a regular expression. So I'm going to start with the possibility of the character A somewhere in between. So first thing we're going to do is build the regular expression. So that's a delimiter. Now what I want is from the beginning, there should not be an A one or more times. Okay, then there should be an A somewhere in between, and there should not be an A one or more times at the end of the string. So this will resolve the second situation. So let me test it against my string. And if C is positive, if C is true, I can safely go ahead and say this one A in the string. I might just go ahead and say okay, so let us see. So given this, all right, so there is one A in the string, and now if I placed in another A somewhere, it says wrong number of A. If I placed in multiple A's together, it still goes and says wrong number of A's. But if I entered an A, just a single one, in the beginning, it is still going to say wrong number of A. And likewise, if I put an A at the end of the string, it is still going to say wrong number of A's because the possibility that I have said is not in the beginning, not in the end, just in between. So now we're going to resolve a situation where you might have entered an A in the beginning of the string. So I'm going to create an alternative. I'm going to put in the pipeline and I'm going to copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is first thing, I'm going to make sure that there is an A to the end of the string. So this says from the beginning there is no A one or more times, and there is an A at the end of the string. Likewise, I'm going to say there is an A from the beginning of the string, but there is no A one or more times towards the end of the string. This should resolve the solution. So it says there is one A in the string. Now if I place an A at the end, it says wrong number of A's. If I remove one of the A's, it says there is one A in the string. So A at the end of the string is again solved. A in the beginning, yes, it is working. If I put in two A's, it says wrong number of A's. So all my situations are resolved. Right, so I've given the first alternative. There's an A in between. The second alternative is there's an A at the end. And the third alternative is there's an A in the beginning. Now, if you want to do a case insensitive comparison, all you need to do is put in an I. So if you have a capital A, that should also be resolved. Go ahead and try both these versions, and I'll catch you with the final solution in the next video.